Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy Otto Graffiti back with another travel vlog. Today I'm going to Japan, to Tokyo. Right now I am in Geneva. We will fly to Abu Dhabi and then from Abu Dhabi directly to Tokyo. You can expect a lot of spectacular vlogs from Japan in the next few days or in the next 2 weeks. I'm there for about 16 days and yeah, enjoy. You will see a lot of content in the next few days. I just saw that my flight is like all inclusive. I can drink and eat as much as I want. So it will be the best flight ever. I'm really excited to fly there because I've only traveled that far one time before to Indonesia. So I'm really excited about that. As soon as I'm in Japan, in Tokyo, I will stay for a few days in Tokyo. And then we will take the bullet train, the Shinkansen, like everywhere, Osaka, Hiroshima, Nagasaki, and so on. So yeah, it will be a really great journey, I think. Let's go. This is where I will spend my next 6 hours, watching movies, playing some games, calling my dad who's sitting back there. Oh, I love it, I love it. Ja, ik heb echt een moeilijke plek om weg te komen, maar het heeft geen stress. Ja, precies. It's so damn hot in here and they don't have any ventilation. Bro, I'm dying right now. Like the window is open. I can't even close it. 6 hours survival. Has any of you ever listened to these safety instructions? I never do, never. Ready. Let's do a taste test. This is what they call mashed potatoes with chicken. I don't know about this. Let's see. Okay. It's alright. It's alright. Bro, the chicken isn't even cut. It's one huge piece of chicken. Alright, the mashed potatoes is like a 6 out of 10. Let's try the chicken. Oh, seriously? This is fine. It's eatable. I'll take that. Alright, this is ass. I can't eat that. But let's try this one now. This is like horrible. Horrible to me. Bro, what the heck is this lower layer? This is so good. No, it's really good, but I would give it 8 out of 10. By the way, the chicken was like 6.5 out of 10. This is good. This is really good. I will order another one. Bro, the butter is too hard to spread, but I like it hard. Just kidding. Bro, glitch in the game. Put some salt on your butter. Wow! Crazy. Time for round 2. This time pasta with tomato sauce. It looks horrible. It smells good. Let's taste it. Yeah, bro. 5 out of 10. It's okay. Overcooked soup. The United Emirates. I've never seen a country looking this strange. What is this? Like high towers, water, the sea. Crazy. Look how strictly organized this country is. Crazy. It's like a board of chess. And this place is all still in construction. Right, we had a safe landing. Now we are in Abu Dhabi. They say it's 41 degrees outside. It really doesn't look like it, but we will see soon. Abu Dhabi Airport. Let's go. Wow, I haven't seen this in a long time. Crazy. Damn, they're tweaking. 85 Arabic, don't know what, for Dubai chocolate. Damn. That's like 20 euros, man. Wow, I was like thinking about trying it, but for that price I can buy like ramen noodles 3 times, so I will save the money for Japan. Boarding to another 10-hour flight to Tokyo. Different plane, same. Welcome to Japan. Wow, after 19 hours of traveling, I'm finally in Tokyo. Now I have to find a toilet. I haven't seen one since Abu Dhabi. That's what I'm about to do now, and then I will go to the hotel room. I woke up in the plane at around 11 o'clock Tokyo time, so I think I won't have too much of a jet lag. Oh hell no, my ass is going to be clean as hell, man. That was a really interesting experience. Damn. This is our residence. Let's go and check in. Room tour. It's a really small room. And then we got a flat screen here. What about the bathroom? Damn, it's small. Holy damn. At least it has a flush. But yeah. It's enough, and like in Tokyo it's really hard to find a good room, so I'm pretty glad with this room. Let's go to the city and grab some food. We bought a little snack, onigiri with tuna and mayo. Let's try this, and later we are going to get some real food. Really good. This is some great food. Wow. And so cheap. Oh my gosh, a pet hotel. Look at this, so cute. I ordered some seafood monya. Let's see if this is good.
How long will you stay? 4 weeks.
Wat?
Zijn dit Italiaans voor mooie rozen?
Ja, ik had geen.
It tastes like hoopa boopa. Damn. I need to do this. The food was great. It's like a completely different culture. Like you have to take off your shoes before you enter the restaurant. They are cooking like in their bare feet, but I loved it. I really enjoyed it. I would give it like a 9.5 out of 10. I will probably only give like high numbers in Japan because the food is great here. And right now we are going to the Akihabara place. It's like a place where people are going in the evening. There are a lot of cool toys. So yeah, that's the plan. Crazy, the vibes are crazy here in Japan. It's like 10 o'clock in the night. Everybody's still outside. Cars are like going crazy. People are enjoying the stores, so I love it. Right here we have a store like with claw cranes everywhere. They have like 7 floors with music games, retro games, sports games, everything. This is crazy and this is normal in Japan. Look at this. People are getting in the back of the car, but the cars are like old, but they are so loud. No, but... Time for round 2, tofu. Next up, 21 fried skin skewers. This is like chicken skin. This was a recommendation by a local guy here. It's lovely. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. This feels so wrong. It's good. Look, Wout Weghorst. I will buy it. No, I'm about to buy some snacks for the hotel room. This is ice cream. It's like soft. It's really good. Ga dat smaken? Ik ken dit. Die groene. Is it melon? I don't know. But it's good. Right, the last few snacks for today. It's like 12 o'clock in the night. Onigiri. I got onigiri with seaweed. Yeah, let's try this. I had the other one with tuna and mayonnaise. It was really good. Let's see how this one is. It's great. If you're in Japan, buy this as your midnight snack. Right, let's go to the spa. Sir, in my kimono. That was my trip to Tokyo. You can expect a lot of vlogs from Japan. See you soon. Peace out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Japanese hard style. Aww. He's being shamed because he had to throw up on the streets and he has to point at his own vomit. Yeah, crazy. That's hella impressive. Wow. Damn. And they got another one.